Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Due to abnormal conditions, oil mist levels inside the crankcase may increase. To detect this in advance, an oil mist detector is installed. In this video, you will learn how to check whether an oil mist detector is functioning properly and how to clean it. First, connect the detector you want to test to the sensor checker. When you turn on the power switch of the sensor checker, it will indicate whether the detector is in good or poor condition using the LED indicator. While level 1 indicates it's good, level 2 is even better. So, how can we improve from level 1 to level 2? Let's find out. When you remove the sensor tip of the detector, you will see the lens. Use a syringe to apply the lens cleaning agent onto the lens and detector tip. Then clean it using the clean clothes and light compressed air. After cleaning, reattach the tip of the detector. Hook the detector back into the sensor checker and test it again. When you turn the power on and wait a moment, you will notice that the detector status had improved to level 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.